Sure, look at that, bro. That's open inside there.
Oh, there it is. There's a crate, there's a coffin.
How's it, Oaks? Here I am on the M5. This is the M5, isn't it? Or the M3, this is the M3. Morstead's Mill. I know it burnt down, that's not what this vlog is about. What this vlog is about is the person who built this. I'm gonna explain. So I'm here with my mate Matt. You guys remember Matt, right?
Hey, hello.
Here we go. It's Matt. It's Matt. It's Matt. It's Matt. So Matt is a Cape Town historian, and we have heard rumors of a burial ground literally right over there that no one really knows about. So of course when you hear these rumors you think to yourself, it's just about a load of nonsense. But then you hear from other people that it actually exists. And so now what we need to do is we need to go see if we can find it. This was an ox wagon trail.
Yeah, this was the ox wagon road, yeah, coming through the farm.
Hey, man, there's no more ox wagons on here. We're hoping that because of the fires we can now find this burial ground. And it's the burial ground of the family of the farmer who owned this land back in the day. We're talking 1700s. And Jan van Riebeck gifted this guy this land back in 1656.
1656, yeah. Jan van Riebeck arrived here 1652.
Yeah.
5 years later, basically.
Literally like 5 years after Jan van Riebeck came here. He granted this guy, Botma, this land. And of course, with most farmers, there's always a burial ground. And so we're gonna try and find it. This whole section just burned down, hey Matt?
Yeah,
and now there's a lot of things that have kind of like come to light that people thought, I think, were lost and didn't know where they were. Now that everything's burned away, you can see it. Let's hope that we can find it. Old posts from the old farm.
The old farm, yeah.
What is interesting is that this farm literally went from person to person to person all the way until it became under the ownership of Cecil John Rhodes, who then gifted it to the South African government. Now it belongs just to, I guess, the people. We've just been busy walking down here. We've seen an old wall. Well, Matt spotted it, and we're just gonna go check it out. That might be something. Yeah, the air just got warmer.
Yeah, the air just got warmer.
There it is. That's the. I think this has got to be it.
It's got to be quiet here, because we might wake up the dead.
Such a nerd. Are you freaking kidding me? Now let me just be very clear. This is still a burial ground, so you want to kind of be respectful, but it just goes to show the amount of history we just don't know in Cape Town. So let's, without stepping on things, go for a meander along the path here, see what we can find. I'm out of breath.
What grave was it?
Hold on.
Dutch or German mixture.
A leader
van
what year is it?
1867.
Check this out, Matt.
Oh, that's a baby.
There's got to be babies, man.
That's
kind of sad. Above the ground, and there's, what did you say, Matt? There's
these are teenagers.
And they can't be adults. That's too small. But in the back there's two large ones.
Yeah,
so
that's
two, and two. And the weird thing is, they're all above the ground. Look at this one here. This one's above the ground too.
Oh my word.
Yeah, so this is the larger catacomb. Born, was it 1817? And died 1856? A lot of the stuff is in like old Afrikaans or Dutch, or I'm gonna maybe sound a bit ignorant here, but kind of that time where it was still a bit Dutchy more than it was Afrikaansy. See, I'm such a Soti, eh?
Adam.
Yeah. Come here. Check this out. Just row after row after row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1769. Sure, look at that, bro. That's open inside there.
Oh, there it is. There's a crate, there's a coffin. Check.
We can stick the torch in. Gee, that is insane. You can see the remnants of the coffin down there.
That's crazy. Wait, there's something in the coffin over there, at the back. That looks weird, maybe cloth. It looks weird, doesn't look right.
Matt, this is kind of getting a bit freaky. Like, there is literally no maintenance. You can see like where the coffin is, and you can see where the coffin has fallen apart. So guys, as we exit, we pay homage to the people buried here. We just hope that this just lets you into a little bit of how Cape Town is so historically rich. Eee, that was in the wrong place.
Are you over the wall?
Well, I'm in the wall. Matt runs tunnel tours. He runs ghost tours of in and around here. He takes historical tours. I'm going to leave his link up there if you're looking for that as even just a great team building activity or something to do before a corporate event. He does that. And also, thank you to my followers. Let me do that again. Thank you to my follower, Be Lacquer. They sent me a bunch of t-shirts and it was so kind of you, and support local. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Go smash a like on my page, follow it for more cool stuff. On that note, there's only one thing left to do. Peace out.